Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time?
We done there's just been fed.
And Midgie's feeding on my eyeball.
Beautiful.
Okay.
6:29 folks. Just waiting to climb here, but we forgot 6:29 is the exact time for the feeding frenzy of Scottish midges. We've had a wee appetiser on Dawn. They're trying to get us both. Midges.
Midgie, 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 midgie.
So just making some rolls. Dawn's making some rolls for breakfast.
Cheesy rolls.
Cheesy rolls. Say cheesy. Say cheesy.
Cheesy.
And then we're going up that big mountain that you can't see. Bye. A few minutes walk for the car park. You can't see the car. We made some good height though. It's been a good wee path so far, but we know what happens. We know what happens. Got a wee ridge round there to take. Starts dropping a wee bit. But we're not going to let this one beat us. Are we, Hen?
Nope.
It's not happening, is it?
Nope.
It's not on the spreadsheet.
Not on the spreadsheet.
One of our favourite bits of the climb. So we just break through the cloud. Look at that. Just puts shivers up the back of my neck.
Stunning.
Yeah?
Stunning, look at it.
Hey, what? We made good time. Made really good time.
Yeah.
That's the ridge up there.
Do you know it's so short because you're out the car and you're starting to climb instantly. That's the first time that's happened for us.
Beautiful. Beautiful early start. And just get through the clouds to a nice elevation. Motivate us and spur us on up to the ridge. There. Good morning, world. So, we've had a bit of a drama. First of all, we've just climbed, see that sheer drop, didn't we? We've just climbed up there. This woman done very well, didn't you, Hen?
Bit sweaty. That's a recurring theme.
But a drama was Dawn's backpack burst. So we've had to shimmy up, and we've discovered a wee bit further on that mine's is not looking too clever either. So we're going to get up to the Liathach or the wee ridge up there. That'll be us at the top, and then we're going to have a feast to lighten the food load, and we've got rid of some of the water kept the containers. Going to have to leave food on the mountain, but we'll take the wrappers away, don't worry. So some of the animals that come up here will have a nice wee lunch at some point.
Pepperoni and cheese slices.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And we're just going to put as much in our waste and get everything into one bag. So hopefully it'll work. But it's all been worth it for this. Look at the stunning views, man. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. The peaks of Torridon just peeking out. It's been a fair old climb. I've still got a bit to go. So we've got 6 pinnacles to go. 2 Munros. Made it up to the ridge. And look. What Dawn's what are you looking at, Dawn? So, see how we go on. We might not make it. The bags are not up to it, but we're trying to no let it defeat us. But it certainly is a glorious morning. On the ridge of a mountain. This is basically just cliff climb.
And all we can see are clouds and mountain tops.
And that's enough.
And sky.
Yeah. And this ridge we've got to walk down. It's scarier than it. Looks scarier than it is. And out of the mist she came, coming down on her descent from Black Rock Mountain, came the demon of the mountain, with her 4 legs, 2 of metal, 2 of lycra. The villagers looked up in disbelief. The demon only comes down once every 100 years. What would become of this village? Make a demon noise. You've got to make a demon noise.
I don't know demon noise, I only know animal noises.
If you knew a demon noise, what would it be?
Hang on, I'm rearranging the mountain.
Well, don't rearrange it in my direction.
Sorry?
Try not to rearrange it in my direction here. I don't really fancy a rock in my mouth. Well, that was a steep descent. That has taken us about 3 hours.
I'm not sure.
About 3, I think. And that's us. Still pretty far up, but into the quarry. Our wee car's down there in the car park, waiting for us.
So are the midgies.
I would have got to see this view this morning because it was thick with cloud. And it's hard to believe that it just came from above that cloud, and it is like the most spectacular summer's day up there. And down here it's a bit grey. And this is the end of our adventure for this week, pretty much.
Yes.
I want, and you see, I'll go with the wind.